Actually, that's one po na diniscuss namin during the planning of the concert. Kasi that's gonna be one major change. Kasi po yung last time, yung tour namin, the idea was to make it theatrical. So may ganung vibe po na mahirap siyang i-achieve sa outdoor kasi syempre hindi mo, iba yung atmosphere, hindi mo naman kontrolado rin yung liwanag and all that. But we decided to push through with outdoor arena kasi we know that we can explore more things. We wanted to give the audience ng kakaibang atmosphere. That's actually the goal. And syempre gusto namin i-maximize yung mga pwede namin magawa na hindi pa namin nagagawa, na hindi namin pwedeng gawin sa indoor arena. So, major change talaga po siya. Even though it's like para siyang homecoming finale ng buong tour, it's really different. Hindi ko alam kung pwede mag-spoil, but nakita niyo naman yung staging, syempre songs, yung duration ng concert, major change. Parang talaga siyang bagong simula. Parang gano'n, parang siyang nag-end kami ng era, but it's like kick off din. Parang gano'n yung vibe niya. So, major change, major change.